Imagine your life as an epic, 3-hour movie. In this saga there are numerous high points and low points, and both drama and comedy. There are coming-of-age moments and passages of growing older. There will likely be some real challenges, and maybe even a few moments when you think you won't make it. The movie may have some scary scenes. It will be tough. But there will also be scenes of joy and victory. There will be times when you're proud of what you've overcome. Sooner or later, every movie and every life comes to an end. But let's not consider the end just yet, with all the credits and the debrief over whether sitting in the theater for 3 hours was worth it. Instead, let's consider the scenes that transpire along the way. In the epic, 3-hour movie of your life, every scene exists for a reason. Where do these scenes come from? Presumably they come from the director, who determines the plotting and sequence of events from start to finish. Who directs the movie of your life? Well, you do, of course. It's your life.